A writer is someone for whom writing is more difficult than it is for other people. So we are having an author with us. He is none other than Siddharth Bansal, who is a president of Mathematics Society of his college and also a maths honors graduate. And for taking his interview, we are having another writer. She is a quote writer and also a soft skills trainer. She usually teach like thousands of people and a mentor to many people. She is none other than DTM Richa. So this virtual stage is over to you, ma'am.
Thanks a lot, Shubham, and most welcome to the star of the day, a champion, a winner, a teacher, a motivational speaker, a leader. My God, for me, you are like a versatile person. What is the first thing that you really enjoy doing out of all these things that you are excelling in? What is that one thing?
The one thing that I like the most is reading. As you
Reading.
read, you are in a different dimension. You are out
Yes.
of time. The time is like it stops or it runs very fast. You don't know. You're in a different dimension. You know the ideas of different writers, how they think, how they
Yes.
believe, and how they optimize their day. Actually, I'm a motivational writer and even a motivational reader. The genre I read is motivational and personality development. I would definitely like to read your book, ma'am. As I got to know from Shivam, you are a soft skill trainer. I definitely would like to read the book.
Okay, okay. So you need to wait for some time. I'll take time. Okay.
No problem.
Tell me something about leadership skills. What are leadership skills and how do we go about it? How do we develop leadership skills?
There is saying leaders are not born, they are created. Even our current Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, he was born in a very mediocre family or a very not well to do family. But still, with his efforts, with knowledge, with experience, he gained a leadership skill that the whole world is acknowledging him today.
Yes.
Similarly, I would like to say leadership is nothing difficult. Only you need to know how people think. The greatest skill of a leader is empathy. That's what others feel when you lead. Like what others need
Mhm.
in their life to grow and to
Yes.
succeed. That's the
You
basic thing of a leader.
you are absolutely right. Now let me know which is your favorite book. As you said you are fond of reading. So which is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Attitude is Everything by John Keller.
Okay.
Uh, in his book, he has represented everything about attitude, motivation, and ability. He says ability is what you have the potential to do. Motivation is what you do, and the attitude determines how well you do the things. So attitude
Exactly.
is the basic ingredient of success.
Attitude when you don't have anything, isn't it? That actually shows what
Yes,
kind of person you are.
definitely. Even when you are having nothing, you should have positive attitude.
Positive
So
attitude. Yes.
actually, today attitude is confused. Attitude is like ego. Ego and attitude are different things.
Different
When
thing.
attitude is negative, possessiveness, and self-centered, it is called ego. But when it is a positive attitude, when you think about the life you want to grow in, the situation you want to change in the world, in your country, then you
Yes.
become a great leader.
Yes. What made you take up mathematics as one of the subject for your studies?
Actually, from initiation from my class third, I was a mathematics fanatic.
Oh,
Means even if it was a SST paper, I was used to do mathematics. Even it was a
okay.
science paper, I was used to do mathematics. The
Okay.
logical things and that reasoning things really make me attract toward mathematics.
Wow, wow. So as a department head or you are taking care as a president, I'm
Yes,
sure,
ma'am.
for the Department of Mathematics.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is your profile? What are your responsibilities?
Uh, every college have mathematics society, BCom society, or let it be any subject society. Similarly, a
Okay.
college have mathematics society in which I am leading as a president, where I need to cooperate all the activities of the department, from organizing webinars, seminars, or anything that helps the people or the students to grow in the field of mathematics. Actually,
Okay.
without proper organization, you cannot organize the things. So this
Yes.
mathematics society is a kind of organization which uh, helps to maintain a communication between teachers and the students. So
Definitely. It's like, you are a bridge between both, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah,
Hmm.
definitely.
So, have you faced any challenges till date? Have there been any kind of experience or situation where students were upset with you, angry with you?
No, I didn't find any moment at that time. Even if they are, I didn't came to know about the same. Everyone was happy and everyone was mutually understanding and friendly with me.
Okay. For me, you are a number person. So, you never thought of pursuing a chartered accountancy or financial analyst somewhere there in the accounts or somewhere?
Actually, in class 11th and 12th, I took commerce. I studied accountancy. But then after 12th, when I came to know there is some more depth in the mathematics that you need to know. So I opted for this course. I was planning to do CA. I was planning to give its entrance examination. But when I come to know there is a mathematics great course from Delhi University. So I thought to pursue the same.
Good. We have one more person who's actually waiting from a long time to have a bit of conversation. So over to Shubham.
Hello, Siddharth. Okay,
Actually.
so yeah, you are a good author, right? So for beginner like me, what will be the three basic tips, like to write a basic book, to be a like to write a basic book? What would be the three basic tips?
See, everyone is an author. Everyone is the author of their life. The only thing is when somebody starts writing a book, the problem they face is the content. They lose the content. I was making the notes for my book from past 2 years. I was keeping a note that what all things I need to. Actually, I was not planning to make a book. I was just keeping a note for my life that what experiences are that have occurred in my life, has changed my life, and what are the solution I have used to tackle my problems of the life. So slowly and slowly those points started collecting and I was about uh, with 51 points I was ready. So I thought why not to share these points of personality development motivation with the people. So I started initiating a book and it took me around 3 months to write a book. So the basic problem that a beginner faces is the content. As soon as you get the content, rest is grammar and vocabulary, nothing else.
To that, I'll imply it. But don't you think, like, for writing a book, if you're not finding a content, you should write your life. At least writing की तो practice होगी ना.
Yeah, definitely. From class seventh or eighth, we are used to write diary entry in English examinations.
Yep.
So that diary entry should be pursued throughout the life. It will help you to analyze the situations of your life, that what you are going through and how you came through it, so that in future experiences you can refer to the same and tackle them very easily.
Thank you so much, Siddharth, for enlightening us and coming over here. So over to you, Richa ma'am. Thank you so much, Siddharth.
Thanks a lot, Siddharth. It is an honor to have such a versatile personality on this show. Thanks a lot for sparing your valuable time. And thank you, Shubham, for hosting the show. Thank you.